Welcome back to Storywise. Today, we are talking about a major mistake. Most people treat English like a school subject. They treat it like history or mathematics. They sit at a desk for 2 hours. They open a heavy textbook. They try to memorize boring grammar rules. And after a few weeks, they feel exhausted. They feel bored. They feel like English is a heavy mountain they must climb. Does this sound like you? If yes, I have a message for you today. Stop studying English. Instead, start living English. Language is not a collection of rules. Language is a way to see the world. It is a tool for communication, entertainment, and connection. If you make English a chore, your brain will resist it. But if you make English a lifestyle, your brain will embrace it. In this video, I will show you how to turn your life into an English environment. You won't need to sit at a desk for hours. You will learn while you eat, while you play, and while you relax. If you want to reach fluency without the boredom, listen carefully. Let's change your relationship with English forever. The immersion secret. Many people think you must travel to London or New York to learn. They think they need to live in an English-speaking country. This was true 20 years ago. But today, with the internet, it is no longer true. You can create an English island right in your own home. Immersion means being surrounded by the language. It means that everywhere you look, you see English. Everywhere you go, you hear English. This is how babies learn. Babies don't have textbooks. They don't have grammar exercises. They simply live in the language 24 hours a day. You can do the same thing as an adult. You just need to be intentional. You need to switch your world from your native language to English. Small changes lead to a massive transformation. Let's look at the specific steps to make this happen. Step 1. The digital switch. The first step is the easiest. Change the language of your smartphone. We touch our phones hundreds of times a day. Every time you look at your screen, you should see English. Notifications, settings, battery, search. These words should become natural to you. Change the language of your social media apps. If you use Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, change them to English. Notifications, settings, battery, search. These words should become natural to you. Change the language of your social media apps. If you use Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok, change them to English. At first, you might feel a bit lost, but your brain is very smart. It will learn the icons and the words quickly. By doing this, you are forcing yourself to interact with English. It is no longer a choice. It is your environment. You are learning functional English. This is the English of the modern world. It is a small change that pays big dividends. Step 2. Entertainment is your best teacher. Why do we find studying boring? Because the topics in textbooks are often dry. They talk about things you don't care about. To live the language, you must follow your interests. Do you like cooking? Watch cooking videos in English. Do you like video games? Play games with English audio and subtitles. Do you like football? Listen to English commentators. When you are interested in the content, you forget you are learning. Your brain stops focusing on the grammar. It starts focusing on the message. This is the best way to learn vocabulary. You learn words because you need them to understand the story. Stop watching English lessons all the time. Start watching English entertainment. Enjoyment is the fuel of consistency. Step 3. The power of music and lyrics. Music is a powerful emotional tool. It is also an incredible language teacher. English songs are everywhere. But don't just listen to the melody. Become a detective of lyrics. Choose one song you really like. Find the lyrics on Google. Read them while you listen to the song. What is the singer saying? What emotions are they expressing? Songs use idioms and slang. This is the real English that people speak on the street. Sing along with the music. This helps your pronunciation and your rhythm. Music makes the words sticky. They will stay in your head all day. It is a fun way to practice your listening and speaking at the same time. Step 4. Talk to your invisible friends. One of the biggest obstacles is having no one to speak with. But you don't need a partner to practice speaking. Talk to yourself. Talk to your dog. Talk to your plants. When you are alone in your room, describe your day out loud. I am going to make some pasta now. I am feeling a bit tired after work. I think I will go for a walk later. This is called self-talk. It trains your mouth to move in English. It helps you find the words you are missing. If you don't know the word for frying pan, you will notice. Then you can look it up. By the time you speak to a real person, you will be ready. You will have practiced the sentences many times. Speaking is a physical skill, like swimming. You must move your muscles to get better. Step 5. Change your input. Change your life. Look at your YouTube subscribed list. How many of those channels are in English? If the answer is none, you have work to do. Unsubscribe from a few channels in your native language. Replace them with English channels that match your hobbies. If you love travel, follow a travel vlogger. When you open YouTube, your home feed should be 50% English. This makes English the default for your brain. It becomes the natural way you get information. You are no longer trying to learn. You are just consuming content that you love. This is how you move from a student to a speaker. Step 6. Label your world. This is a great technique for beginners and intermediate learners. Take a pack of sticky notes. Walk around your house. Write the English name for everything you see. Mirror, refrigerator, wardrobe, window. Stick the notes on the objects. Every time you open the fridge, you see the word. Every time you look in the mirror, you see the word. After 1 week, remove the notes. Test yourself. Can you remember the names? By connecting the word to the physical object, you build a strong memory. You are not learning a translation. You are learning the thing itself. Your home becomes a 24-hour classroom. It is a silent teacher that never gets tired. Step 7. Think in English phrases. We have thousands of thoughts every day. Most of these thoughts are in our native language. Start small by translating your simple thoughts. When you wake up, think, "It's a beautiful morning." When you are stuck in traffic, think, "I am going to be late." When you are happy, think, "This is great." You don't need to think perfectly. You don't need perfect grammar in your head. You just need to build the habit of using English internally. This slowly breaks the translation habit. Translation is the enemy of fluency. Thinking in English is the secret to speed. Give your brain the chance to speak to itself in English. Soon, the English words will come faster than your native ones. Step 8. The 15-minute rule. Many people quit because they think they need hours of time. "I don't have time to study," they say. But you always have 15 minutes. 15 minutes while you wait for the bus. 15 minutes while you eat lunch. 15 minutes before you go to sleep. Make a rule. 15 minutes of English, no matter what. Listen to a podcast. Read an article. Watch a short video. Consistency is more important than intensity. Studying for 15 minutes every day is better than 5 hours once a week. Your brain needs constant contact with the language. Keep the flame alive. Don't let a single day pass without English. This builds the discipline we talked about in previous videos. Step 9. Don't fear mistakes. The biggest reason people don't live the language is fear. They are afraid of making a mistake. They are afraid of sounding stupid. But let me tell you something. Mistakes are beautiful. Mistakes mean you are trying. Mistakes mean you are pushing your limits. Every time you make a mistake and correct it, you learn. If you never make a mistake, you are not growing. Children make thousands of mistakes when they learn to talk. We don't laugh at them. We encourage them. Encourage yourself. Be proud of your broken English. It is the bridge to your perfect English. Speak with confidence, even if your grammar is not perfect. People care about your message, not your tenses. Communication is the goal. You now have a plan to make English a part of your life. You have moved from a student to a liver of the language. English is no longer a book on your shelf. It is the music in your ears. It is the thoughts in your head. It is the world on your screen. Start today. Pick one thing from this video and do it right now. Change your phone language. Subscribe to an English channel. Label one object in your room. Don't wait for tomorrow. Your future as a fluent speaker starts with a single action today. Thank you for watching Storywise. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Tell me in the comments. What is one way you will use English today? We are a community of builders. Let's build a better future together. See you in the next video. Stay inspired. Stay consistent.